and even also for bringing your family to live legally with you in the country.
You hear that, Watcher? Can bring the whole family.
That nice of me, man.
Yeah. Well, the long and short of it is, brother, we just want, get them political programs and policies here up and running and ranking by into it. It's a good look. You see?
Ain't no king, man. I know I have some craft thing on my work on Sevilla. You know we can export some of them. And I have no market where we can send some fun. But them really are focused on right now,
Oh, yeah, I say it, maker. Market is always there for things like that. Remember, we now have what we call the global village.
That's too easy for some people. Someone to suffer. Hey, Camille. Yeah, it's Carlton. Tell me something. Have you seen or heard from Trevor? So why you hesitate? No, Camille, calm down. Me not accuse you of nothing. Oh, okay, well, sorry if you feel offended. Camille, if you not see him, you just not see him. It's just that police come and ask me about him whereabouts, and me say if you see him or hear from him, just encourage him to turn himself in before it get worse. Alright, Camille, cool, thanks. You and Trevor deserve each other to rat it.
You understand? And brand Jamaica, meaning anything Jamaican, authentic Jamaican, is guaranteed sold worldwide. We can explore the internet, my friend.
Yeah, man. One king, So I go and butcher. Always a show up right time.
One king.
Big up my general, man. I hate, man.
Yeah, bro, fam. So, we need for us tuck in and help make them little programs and policies that come into place. And don't get it twisted, because me personally, I gotta sit down and talk with Rankin and find out what I want with a Clarence something. But in the meantime, I don't want the man them take it lightly. You see me? Plus, me have my little jelly oxen to go deal with. Hold on, me have far.
So you see, brother, you should be named Pittis now. You should be named Pittis. Oh, dear.
Good, man. I'm para.
Come on, there today. Hey, Speed. Yeah, man, wagwan. Yeah, it's a long time. Tell me something. You still do your private investigation thing? Okay, good. I have a work for you. More you locate somebody for me.
Yo, Kappa. What you say? And finally give your name. Trevor Sullivan.
Yeah, Trevor Sullivan. Well, they're gonna need to trail 2 people. One of them must lead it to him. Yeah, I'll send them information and them pictures and address so that you can follow them from them yard to them place of work. Just a day-to-day trail. Eventually, one of them must lead it to him. Yeah man, I'll send the first payment tomorrow. Same bank account, right? Good.
Alright, since we get the name, you know what to do. As a matter of fact, do it now.
Mama! What's your mama there?
I want to hear Virgin. You're a clown.
Hi, mama. Mama, I think we can hold on there. Mama there. Can't tell me that she left on the farm today.
Big man, how go on?
Me just get a name.
So what you say? I want a strength.
I appreciate the offer, my generals. But you see that one here? Personal.